Magandang Brokenshire sa lahat. My name is Rana Jean Diaz, an alumna here in Brokenshire College Turil and a former Student Council Treasurer of Batch 2018. BCT is actually not one of my options kasi medyo may kalayuan siya sa bahay namin. And that time, naghahanap ako ng school who fits for the voucher na bigay ng government. And then, I overheard my schoolmates that time, sila Borbe, sila Lloyd, sila Albran, na uy, mag-enroll kami dito sa BCT. Parang isa sa mga factor na kapag encourage sa akin na dito mag-aral sa BCT is my friends. Kasi may background knowledge na sila on what BCT can offer to their students. My impression here in BCT during my first day is that ang laki ng area. Like, pag nakita mo yung field, may imagine mo talaga na ano kayong pwedeng mga activities na pwede namin gawin dito as a student, especially sa BCT gym. Hindi kasi ako sanay sa school ko dati sa public na naglalaro sa gym or gumagawa or nagperform sa gym. So parang nai-imagine ko na ano kayang mga activities yung pwedeng naming i-enjoy dito sa school na to. At yung library, isa sa mga favorite spots ko sa school na to is ang library. Kasi ang dami nilang books and the environment is so calming. Nung first day pagpasok namin dito sa BCT, napansin ko lang, uy, yung mga kakilala ko from other school, dito din pala sila nag-enroll. So parang mas na-excite ako kasi alam mo, magkakaroon kayo ng bond throughout the journey. And then, sa mga teachers and staffs din, during ng first day namin dito, flag ceremony nun, yung patapos na, napansin namin na yung mga lower grades, nagtatakbuhan sila papunta dun sa mga teachers, tsaka nagmamano. It's like there's a specific bond and you will feel talaga na they're welcoming and they're also great when it comes to engaging with their students. And that's one of the things na parang na-realize ko na I'm in a good hands. If I'm going to describe my student life here in BCT, it's actually challenging kasi as what I have mentioned a while ago na may kalayuan talaga yung school galing sa bahay namin. So, parang struggle talaga na maghanap ng mga tricycle na willing maghatid sa'yo papunta dito sa school. Pero dito kasi sa BCT, ACADS is not just the journey of your life. There's a lot of events. Then, my student life here changed a lot of things in my life. Like, from a shy student, alam mo yung pakiramdam na, na nabago ka ng school kasi natutunan mong sumali sa mga competitions. Like, hindi mo alam na, I have this skill pala, na kaya ko palang humarap sa mga students, sa mga teachers performing, kahit yung tuhod mo nanginginig na. That is something that I admire here in BCT kasi they will let you go out on your comfort zone, in your own pace, in your own timing. Isa sa mga factor na nakapag-encourage sa akin to go out of my comfort zone, the teachers, my schoolmates, my friends, and also the events itself. There this one time na walang representative yung section namin for a specific competition. And then, pinush ako ng president namin that time, which is si Venecer Borba. He encouraged me na, join ka na lang dito sa kasi wala tayong representative, and that is impromptu speech. And then, inside me, parang nagda-doubt ako, ba't ako sasali doon? Wala akong idea what is impromptu speech. Wala akong ka-idea ano yung theme, ano yung mga pwedeng ibato sa akin na questions, at ano yung magiging reaction ko or magiging behavior ko sa stage. The day before the competition, tinatanong ko sa sarili ko, ano ba yung pwede kong gawin para makapag-back out sa competition na yun? Pero nung in-announce na yung mga winners, na-realize ko, okay, hindi talaga to para sa akin. Kasi in-announce na yung third, in-announce na yung second. Dinawag yung pangalan ko. I was the champion of that specific competition. And that day, na-realize ko na BCT will mold you to be a competitive student. So that was the first contest na sinalihan ko at hanggang sa nagsunod-sunod na and I didn't regret any of it. Like, it molded me to become someone na competitive, na kakayanin yung mga pagsubok sa buhay. It's not about who is looking at you. It's about how you perform and how you do it according to what is right for you. Actually, way back junior high school, I am part of the SSG, pero hindi yung parang main na mga positions. Andun lang ako sa parang backup lang in case they need someone for events. And then, Borbe actually approached me, "Uy, Rona, bagay ka dito sa position as a treasurer. Baka gusto mo sumali sa line-up ko." Kasi he was actually running for the president position. And then, na-realize ko nga, naku, mahihirapan ako niyan kasi pera yan eh. Malaking value yan when it comes to a specific group. Kasi doon umiikot yung projects. But then, another opportunity na naman yung pumunta sa akin. At isa sa mga na-realize ko, at parang natutunan ko din when I was still a student council treasurer, is being able to spoke up. As long as you know that you are on the right position to say something at alam mong nasa tama ka, then do it. At wag kang mahiya. Go out of your comfort zone and also be competitive talaga. So, way back grade 11, masasabi ko talagang yung section namin, team gahot talaga. Kailangan may representative, kailangan may output kami. There is this one competition, a litmus event, and then there's a film festival na ginanap. So, it's a competition between 7 sections. And then, nung awarding na, hindi namin ina-expect na Hakot Award pala yung section piety that time. Like, halos na mga awards na punta. Sa akin, napunta is Best Actress Award. Akalaan mo yun. Akalaan mo yun. And then, my Best Director then, and then Best Film, and so on. Like, at the end of the day, lahat kami nag-celebrate, lahat kami masaya kasi na-achieve namin yung awards na yun. At alam mo, nagbunga yung paghihirap namin during those days na kailangan namin matapos yung pag-shoot. And then, every sports fest, kailangan may entry kami sa cheer dance, kahit papano, alam mo yung struggle na kada end ng school time, kailangan mag-practice, kailangan naka-ready na yung anong gagamitin ng mga props, na damit. Marirealize mo talaga na lahat ng estudyante sa BCT competitive. One thing na hindi ko malilimutan dito sa BCT, the parties. We do have here na experience ko is foam party at color party. So, isa sa mga best events yun ng BCT. Kasi lahat kayo enjoy na enjoy. Parang, alam mo, parang hindi kayo napagod sa cheer dance, sa mga sports events. Broken Shark College to Real, it's actually known as Green Doors. And it's not just an ordinary green door or green gate. It's actually a door towards new opportunities. These opportunities, you can bring them outside. And together with that opportunities, there are lifetime lessons. Nagagamit mo siya when you apply for a job, when you meet other people, when you talk to someone new. At isa yun sa mga best offer ng BCT aside sa activities, aside sa quality education, aside sa quality service. Words of encouragement na pwede kong ibigay sa mga students ng Broken Shark College to Real is that don't settle for less if you know you deserve more. Again, I am Rona Jean Diaz, an alumna of Broken Shark College to Real, batch 2018. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon, Broken Cheerians.